Let's think about energy. And I put the question in here, what is energy? And it's harder to describe and explain than it appears. Right, in most cases, energy is a concept or an idea to explain something. So it's normally about observations we see, and then we explain it in terms of the energy involved. So if we see something big happen, then obviously, and something little happening, then obviously there is more energy in the big thing. So we're going to use this as a way of sort of categorizing and seeing how things go and move. But in physics, we define it as the ability to do work. And we're going to find out that work has its own special definition. All right, let's consider this jug here, this kettle. It's on there and it's boiling. We see the fact that it's gained energy and the gas has been produced, but we don't actually see the energy going into it. Right, so we see the effects of what happens rather than, or the effects energy has on matter, if you like, or substances. And there's one more thing. Energy is finite. So they're saying that the amount of energy in our universe is finite or fixed. We can't create, we can't destroy. So it's only there. The thing that is really good is the fact the universe is so large that the amount of energy is also very, very large.